how to bind wire binding. Okay, this is the book. You are supposed to flip like this, so the binding holes on the left hand side. Standard binding will have a plastic cover in front and a back cover, black color, typically a black or blue at the back. So for this binding, before you do, you need to bring the back cover to the front and then make sure all holes are visible. Go through, see, all holes are visible. Okay, then bring this one down, and this is the ring. This is the ring. If you see, the ring has two type of legs: the sharp leg, small leg, and big leg. So the small leg will be inserted into the holes from the top side. So manually you can do it. Okay. So each hole one ring must go in. Logically, the big one will not go inside because the hole is enough for the small one to go in. This is too big for to insert. Okay, so then flip over and see whether all holes, all papers are inside. In this case, it is not. Then you have to remove the page, this page. Either you can do it this way or flip over and do the other side. Make sure that every page, every hole has gone through the small nose. Then if you turn this way, it will never come out because this is holding, this is the lock side. Okay, so now you can see the ring is fully inserted. Okay, and then this is the 14 mm ring. Okay, when you before press, make sure that you have adjusted the pin. So let's say this is 6 mm, right? You put the pin here. When you move the handle, you see it comes all the way to crush my finger because you set the gap to be 6 mm here. So if I set this one to 10 mm or 14 mm, my ring is 14 mm. So if I set here, you can see my finger is not crushed because the gap now is maintained at 14. So for 14 mm ring, you have to set the pin to control the gap, the pressing gap. 14 mm, you set the pin at the 14 mm. For 12 mm ring, you have to set at 12 mm. For 10 mm ring, you have to set at 10 mm. For 6 mm ring, set at 6 mm. So my ring right now is 14 mm. You can slightly set a pin 1 point smaller. Okay, now this has been set. And now you have to start pressing, right? Before pressing, make sure that just now you inserted the two legs here, right? Make sure the ring is placed down on this pressing plate like a caterpillar. All the legs, the small one, the big one, all facing down. Come nearer and show. Okay, facing down. And then there is a grip here to hold the ring from slipping up. But here in this machine, the grip has been eaten out because of a lot of bindings done. So the ring may slip when you press the lever down. The ring may slip and go up. That is when you don't get the perfect round. So you have to make sure that it doesn't slip up. Hold the book with one hand and press down the ring slightly, and then move the ring to close the loop. Okay, this is pressing down. This is lever is lowering down together. Okay, all the way until as far as it goes. So now it has been pressed. So you can see it's a perfect round here, right? So the loop, the small nose has come and touched the big nose, forming a lock here. So now you flip over. You remember initially before we insert the ring, I took the back cover and put in front. So you have to bring this back again, flip it back. This is front of the book.